Do Signet ring cells define diffuse-type stomach cancer? Imagine a microscopic world where cancer cells tell a story about how aggressive and tricky the disease can be. Signet ring cells are a special type of cancer cell that can appear in stomach cancer. They get their name because, under the microscope, they look like tiny rings with a big mucin-filled center and a nucleus pushed to the side, resembling a signet ring. These cells are a key feature of a specific subtype called gastric signet ring cell carcinoma. According to the World Health Organization, this subtype is classified as a diffuse-type stomach cancer because it arises from poorly cohesive cells that do not from the usual gland-like structures seen in other cancers. But here is where it gets interesting. While all signet ring cell carcinomas are considered diffuse-type stomach cancers, not all diffuse-type cancers contain these signet ring cells. Diffuse-type stomach cancer is a broader category that includes any poorly cohesive cancer cells that do not from glands. These cells tend to spread more evenly across the stomach wall, making the cancer more diffuse in nature. So, the presence of signet ring cells is a hallmark of a specific subtype within this group, but it does not define the entire category. In simple terms, if a stomach cancer has signet ring cells, it is classified as diffuse type and often tends to be more aggressive. These cancers can invade tissues more quickly and may have a poorer outlook in advanced stages. However, some diffuse-type stomach cancers do not have signet ring cells at all, meaning they are poorly cohesive but lack that classic ring shape. Understanding this distinction is important because it influences how doctors approach treatment and prognosis. Signet ring cell cancers often respond differently to therapies and may require more careful monitoring. But remember, every person's cancer is unique, and the presence or absence of signet ring cells is just one piece of the puzzle. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. In summary, signet ring cells are a specific feature within the broader category of diffuse-type stomach cancer. They help identify a particular subtype that tends to be more aggressive, but they do not define all diffuse stomach cancers. Recognizing this helps doctors better understand the disease and tailor treatment plans accordingly.